Welcome to Iron Tech. In this video, I will show you another service that you can resell and earn money online all over the world. Again, you have to come on this website parksocialpanel.com. Go to the category, select YouTube likes, which is just after YouTube monetization package that we were discussing the last time. So you will come onto the YouTube likes and see the services, because every category have different types of services. We are here, you can see there are almost 5 different IDs of YouTube likes. First is 608, its speed is outstanding, almost 100k per day, start time is instant, $0.14 for 1000 likes of YouTube. Very cheap services, low price services. Then you can also see the other services as well, according to the speed and lifetime guarantee as well. Let's see 608. You can see on 680 minimum amount you can put for 10. Place the link of YouTube, then quantity, and here is no descriptions. Let's see about this YouTube likes. If you will select it, you will have the option again about links and quantity. Its minimum amount is uh, 10 as well. I mostly use this one because it's very old services, and its results were also outstanding. It's almost $0.72, and maximum amount that I can go for the likes is 15,000, and the remaining procedure is same. Link quantity, automatically it will be collected. Like this one is going to be 5,000 likes. It's just in $3.6, so we can resell according to our own choice. Then yes, I have confirmed, please start it. So in next video I will tell you one more service how to resell. Thank you very much. Goodbye.